I work for the Moose Cree First Nation Tourism Department. I'm a guide. We have this on the park here in Tidewater. We have paddlers coming down the river all the time. And once in a while they want a traditional feast. And that's offered by us through the tourism department. All you gotta do is contact Kim Cheechoo. And we could set things up. We're in partnership with Ontario Parks. Tourism is very important to us. It's like we have a lot of people come down, they love it down here. Some of them don't even want to go back, return back to where they're from. They love it so much. Many people come and ask us about our culture, and we have cookouts in Chapter 1 on the island, at CCIC, the Cree Cultural Interpretive Center. We have a big cookout tent there, and you can come there and ask us questions, and we'll gladly help you. Where I'm standing now, there used to be a road going through this Charles Island. During the winter, it would be a winter ice road. This would be the center point of the road. It'll lead to a Moose Knee, toward the barge landing. I call it the barge landing with MKL docking area. And from down on the Moose Factory side is the Bay Road, okay? From the old Hudson Bay. It comes through the island. But now, our winter road will travel around the island. Okay, ready for a walk?
Yeah, let's go for a walk then.
Okay. This is the only trail going through the island. Where all the campsites, we have 10 in total. They used to have trails going around the island, but they're growing in now. Usually when I'm walking through a trail like this, do you want me to lead? Mm-hmm. Because of spider webs. I break them for them.
Smart.
Yeah. Some people are scared of spiders. When I come over once a week, usually sometimes I find bear scat on the ground. And while I'm walking down the trail, I go to the garbage cans and I lift the lid and I drop it. It'll make a big loud bang, so I'll scare away the bears. I don't want to meet a bear walking down this trail. There's an old trail going that way. But this is another major campsite here for family get-togethers. We're still waiting on the main groups of paddlers to come down, and this is where they stay most of their time. And usually it's packed. Let's see if we can go to the tip, okay? End of the line. Our next stop will be Old Reserve. Okay.